Hey gang, hey, what's good? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Izzy. I'm back at you with another freaking video. I know it's been a minute. I haven't posted a video since Christmas. I've been quite busy with moving and I've just been really busy. But today's video, I decided to do a house tour. I was gonna use my new camera that I got for Christmas, but unfortunately it really just died on me, so I have to charge it. So I'm gonna be using my phone for today. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. But first, make sure you go right ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Join the fam. It's free, it's fun, it's lit. Let's get on with this house tour. So this is the front door. It's just so this now, which is home is where the heart belongs, and there's Marcel. So this is the house that we're living in now. So when you walk into the door, on the left side is just my shoes, like my little slides for inside. I'm currently wearing my other ones. They stay upstairs, they stay downstairs. On the right side, I have this table that I just bought yesterday actually, and I just put literally my keys. And I have this plant. I'm not done yet, be aware of that. And then I got this circle mirror. This was my sister's idea actually. Then we have a downstairs and an upstairs. So it's a townhome. It's pretty high up. So first we're gonna go upstairs. So when you go upstairs, you're gonna see the first thing you see is just closet. In here, there's basically just coat. Like if you wanna hang your coat, if I've guest over and they wanna hang the coat, they would use this closet. This is kind of an overview of the whole house. So there's like the living room and the kitchen. There's my camera, which died. So we're gonna start off on the right side first. So first we have the bathroom. It's the upstairs bathroom. And this is Marcel's bathroom basically, because mine is downstairs. So it just looks like this. Then this is Marcel's bedroom. He has this little Jordan sticker. That means it's his room. So just an overview of it. It's very empty because I like it like this. So he has his bed, his car bed. He's OG. And then he has this purple street Paw Patrol thing. As you can see, they're like running and stuff. There's PJ Mask. His toy basket. And then this is his shoe wall. You all should know this already. But instead of 2, I decided to put 3. Credit goes to my sister for putting them up. And then he has this big window, which we're gonna put some LEDs around. And then he has this little tiny piano. He's obsessed with this little piano. And then this is his closet. He has his little basketball net. And then just all his clothes. They're all hung up. And then his laundry basket and diaper. Then we're gonna go into the living room. Then this is the living room, but we're gonna start with the kitchen first. So this is a little closet. This is where I just keep like all the stuff that I don't really need around. My purse hangs on here. And then on this side is just a sink. And then I have the kitchen stuff, appliances. And then my ring light is just chilling there. I got that for Christmas as well. And then there's this little corner where I just keep my speaker. And this is the medicine cabinet. And then this is where we keep like headphones, extra brush, scissors. And then the fridge, obviously. Can't really forget the appliances of the fridge. And this is a picture of the little man. He looks so cute. Next, we're gonna go into the living room area. As you can see, I have a backyard. I know, right? Cool. So I do have a backyard. It's kind of snowing right now, so I won't really go out there. But I have a deck, and then there's just yard space down here. Those boxes need to go. You guys remember my OG chair? Like my couch? It's just the same one. We're still to the pillow on the floor. And then the same table and the same carpet. And then we did get a new TV, 75-inch. Don't mind the table. I'm getting a new one. I just ordered one. But this is how it looks like. And then we have the 3 pictures.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Take you guys downstairs. Down here, bud. Okay. So this is the laundry room. I'm gonna start the laundry room. This is the laundry room. Nothing special. And this is the storage. And then I have this picture hanging out. When you go right, this is gonna be our daughter's room. I'll give you a sneak peek of how it looks like so far. That's just a sneak peek. I won't show you guys the rest of it. In here is just Bonkier put his shoes in here, so Babe put his shoes in here because this was just empty. Then this one here is our bathroom. So this is like me and Bonkier's bathroom. This is his side, and then this is my side. I don't have a lot of stuff. And then the Vaseline. The cool thing about this bathroom is that it leads straight to our bedroom. If you open this door, it is a lock. So this is basically my bathroom. It's very cute. And then through here is my bedroom. So this is my bedroom. Once we came to the bathroom door, this is the main door. And then on the right side, I have my hoverboard. And then I have my dresser. It's a bed set. It comes with a dresser, a side table, and everything. And then I have my TV up here. And then there's just a mirror that I still have to hang up on my dresser. Then I have my bed. It looks really cozy. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then this is my side table. So I just have these stuff that I need. My water fountain, my Beats, my charging station, my camera, my iHome, basically it's my makeup thing. It's supposed to go my vanity, but my vanity's not here yet. My laptop, and I just put some stuff, extra stuff in the charger and all that stuff. And then I still have to find a place to put my shoe boxes. And then this is my walk-in closet. It's already packed. We have all the clothes up and stuff. So that side, that's Bonkier's side. That's Bay's side, obviously. And then this is my side. And then the blankets go up there. And then my shoes are just at the bottom here. Because we still haven't found a place to put anything yet. Guys, that's it for this tour. I hope you liked it, because I sure did. And I'll see you guys next time. Please go ahead right ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Join the fam. It's free. It's fun. Bye, guys.